Enabling or disabling the feature to show contact photos in messages on your iPhone. 16 allows you to personalize your messaging experience by choosing whether to display your contacts' profile pictures alongside their conversations. Here's how it's done. To begin, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. Find Messages from the list of apps and then tap on it to get to the App Settings menu. To continue, scroll down until you find the Show Contact Photos option. Finally, tap the toggle switch next to Show Contact Photos to turn the feature on or off. When enabled, your iPhone will display profile photos of your contacts in the Messages app. When disabled, only names will appear without photos. This iOS feature enhances your messaging experience by adding a visual element to your conversations. It can make it easier to quickly identify who you're chatting with, especially in group conversations. But if you prefer a more streamlined interface or want to conserve data usage, you might choose to keep this feature disabled. Note that the visibility of contact photos depends on whether you have photos assigned to your contacts in your address book. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.